Hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, so in this video what we will cover is for example we have this requirement to just find out the distinct values within a given list, or maybe I just want to sort it. Okay, so how can we use a stream method for that? So let's first use the distinct one. So again the same thing, I'll take the list, I will convert this to stream, simple. And then for example if I just want to print the distinct values, so there is a method called distinct. Okay, and now I just want to print them. So again I will have a loop for each, and I will use the system.out println method. That's it. Let's run it. And I'm getting only distinct values 2, 3, 4, 1, 6. It's not sorted. Okay, let's try the same thing with my string 2. I'll just change it to my string and let me execute it. And I'm getting only distinct values A, B, C, C, D, E, E, F, G. Okay, now if I want to sort it, so what I can do, I can just use sorted. And all my values are sorted now, but still numbers are repeated because those are not distinct values. So we can we can sorted only distinct values. So what do we have to do? So first it will make the stream, it will find only distinct values, then it will sort them, and then finally print them. And here we go. That's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.